Namaskara, mabuhay. So today is Saturday. We will have some errands to do outside. We are ready now. What about Eshan? Where is present? Someone is hiding. Someone is hiding.
Yeah, I'm going to return the book which I did not read.
Yeah, it's only like few pages. I think 10 pages
No,
only.
not even 10, maybe 5.
It's already due. At the weather now, there is a announcement that there is a heavy rain watch in our place. Oh, it started raining. So we ran for our life because there was very heavy rain. Chuchu will be sitting in his car seat. No, Papa, we're leaving now. That's up. Struggle with the toddler. So this is the op shop, family store. Then Chuchu Budol, something. What is that?
About and so many trucks and one submarine.
Oh, now we'll be heading to Levin. It's still raining.
Can you please open this? Mama, can you please open this?
So the bata has a budol. Can you show me what are your budols? Okay, the other one. This is only around $3 in the $4 in opportunity shop. You already exceed on your budget, Ishan. Our budget is only $1, right? So you cannot more budol. Okay? Heavy rain. Just enough we left the house. It's already heavy rain. Now Levin. It's still gloomy. This is around 20 minutes from our place.
20 minutes?
Yes, that's why we reach now.
What's that for?
No, it's just near.
What are you going to do?
We'll go to the warehouse.
What, buy gummy
You finish your budol, no more budol in the warehouse.
No, I'm buying gummy for mom and for mama.
Okay, for mama only, okay?
It's for display.
Okay, thank you.
It's for the animals.
Yes.
Food.
Yes.
Even one less animal.
So dito na kami sa the warehouse. Ito yung go-to mall namin dito. Medyo cheap siya. Medyo lang. Not all items. We finished the grocery but it's very heavy rain though. So ako lang yung pumunta doon na grocery. I have a peace of mind kasi walang pasunod-sunod nito. Ito. Nagstay lang dito sa car. I just do it quickly. We are heading home na. Are you done buying, Eshan? What you bought? What is that? It's heavy rain, so hindi na namin kailangan na magstay pa ng matagal doon. Pangit ng panahon. So time check is around 1:20, so doon na lang kami magla-lunch sa bahay. Tingnan mo tong mga bahay dito. Ang lalayo ng mga kapitbahay. Mas malawak pa yung mga farms. Tapos in between ng mga houses, mga siguro 500 meters, doon pa yung isang bahay. Bye-bye. See you later. So may road construction dito. Ang daming orange cones for safety. Ganito lagi dito pag may mga ginagawa sa daan. It's safety first talaga sila. With a speed limit pa. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kadami yung, yung orange cones. Diyan na pupunta yung mga tabs dito. Very gloomy and cloudy. We're passing the bridge. Look at the water of the bridge. Yeah, very foggy. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy or tired? What happened? Are you sad? Hungry? Sleepy? Happy? May I see the happy face? Ganyan yung mga baka. Hindi ay naalintana yung ulan. So, pa-winter na dito, kaya yung mga grasses is parang na ano na sila. Nagre-replanting na sila. They are in Foxton Town. Turks. At dito ako nagtatrabaho, char. Chicken factory. Mura lang ang mga chicken dito pag dito kayo bibili. At saka mga sausages with a touch of a Filipino food tech. Touchdown home.
Touchdown home.
Unloading of things. Come here. Let's get down.
I'm home.
Still
Mama,
raining.
Look what happened to fall. Look who it's fall.
Here we're home. Next agenda is to eat. So we'll just prepare some food and then we'll take our lunch. It's very gloomy right now. So gagawa ko ng haul ng mga pinamili namin. I'll do a haul for the things that we bought today. Grocery. I bought the super soft honey grain toast. We have there, love. Then the LMP. Replacement of hope. I bought some bun, hamburger bun. Then biscuits. Food of our top. Tapos may pasta sauce para sa spaghetti with chuchu. Caramelized onion and garlic pasta sauce. Baked beans. Kay chuchu din yan. I'll try this pink salmon in can. Kung pwede siya lagyan ng sabaw, if ever. Then, bumili din ako nitong cereals ni Chuchu, Dowo, Milo Dowo. The other one is the Trix, fruity siya. One bag down. The other one is more into wet, but vegetable one, baby spinach. Noodles. Ito nakuna na namin, kinain namin for lunch. My tasty processed slices. My love? No, not in the phone, please. I also bought the biscuit, the banana bread, the tofu. This is deep fried tofu. So I'll just make some masala on it. I'll try. Ito na yellowfin, good for sabaw. Sabaw ko to. First time ko to makakita ng ganito. Usually salmon lang meron dun sa sa grocery store, but now they have the tuna yellowfin loin. Ano siya? $40 per kilo. So yung ito is mga around 0.27 grams o 0.27 kilos. Then I tried this mini cheese Kransky. So gusto ni Chuchu ng cheese. So yung maliliit siya. Then, bumili din ako ng favorite na biscuits ni Chuchu. Go Nuts Peanut Butter. Another candy. His favorite too, Fruit Blocks. What else? Of course, the pasta spaghetti. Then, roasted cashew. And the frozen vegetable with the broccoli, cauliflower, and the carrot, which is easy siya kasi lalagay lang siya sa freezer. And also, I will try this frozen mushroom. Usually, bumibili ako nung nasa can, kaso nga lang, may pepper sauce na siya. So, I will try yung plain lang para ako yung magtitimpla. That's it. Yun lang yung mga pinamili namin. Tadaan. This is good for 1 week. So, i-arrange ko na to sa mga lagayan nila. Let's put it in this fridge. Yeah, this coming from PG. This fish. This April 20.
Birthday celebration or?
Want to celebrate?
Because I haven't very people for what do you think? So what?
Really good.
Okay, like I was like, okay, something like this.
Even though.
The main exit of 200 feet before the blaze consumes what's left of our television. The scale of the fires cannot be contained and they destroy it all, as well as claiming the lives of 4 people in the hotel, all 100 passengers and 9 crew members. The difficulties in managing and affording